How to trade on Okx for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply trade. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you'll be able to see this trade option. Tap on trade. Here, you'll be able to see different options like convert, spot, trading bots and marketplace. So tap on marketplace. Now here, these are the companies and the stocks that are available. So you can just tap on anyone and see the charts here. So in order to trade them here, you must go back and here tap on your home page and go to a stock that you want to trade for. So it will show all the charts and you can do some technical analysis too. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called trade. Now here you can simply buy or sell the stock. Here there are some limits too, so do it accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.